Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a fall inspired look. That is this look right here that I have on right now. I did use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. It is this palette right here. It is very, I don't know, I get a very fall vibe from this palette with all the golds and the oranges and the browns. I do apologize if I sound a little funny today. I have been sick. Everybody in my household has been sick, so we've all been just getting over this, and that's why I haven't been posting as much. I haven't been on Instagram as much. It's just because, I don't know, we've all been feeling really gross, and I didn't really feel like I had the energy. But I went ahead and I wanted to do this tutorial for you guys. I wanted to get this up, so yes. I hope you guys like this look. In the tutorial, I already have my foundation and everything on, so it's just mostly the eyeshadow look that I'm showing you guys today. If you guys do want more full face tutorials, make sure to comment down below if that's something that you guys like seeing. But let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. Alright, so I've zoomed you in, and I think the first shade I'm going to go into is Rush. It is this kind of, see, it's kind of an orange, light orange color right there. And to do that, I'm just going to be going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid, just using it as my transition shade. Alright, next shade I'm going to be going into is Alert. It's a bit of a darker orange color, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid as well, but kind of with the light hand, not real heavy. I'm going to start out light and see if I need to make it heavier. I just don't want it to get too dark, so I'm just going to start very lightly. Alright, next with a smaller Morphe brush, so I got the M433 brush. It's kind of a smaller, fluffier brush. I'm going to go into the shade Secret. It is this dark brown over here. And with the smaller brush, I'm just going to be putting it in the crease. But I'm going to start with a light hand, just like what I did with the other color. And then when I'm happy with the way the crease looks, I'm going to still go into that same color Secret, and then I'm going to start bringing it more towards the corners. Alright, now I'm going to go back with the fluffy brush, and I'm going to go back into Alert, this color here, and I'm going to reapply it on my lids, just because I kind of got muddied out a little bit. It's not as bright as it was. Now I'm going to go back with Rush, that first color that I went into, and I'm just going to go over the back part and just kind of blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to go back into Secret with the smaller brush, and I'm just going to deepen the corners again. So it's a lot of back and forth, just kind of repeating the same steps, building up the colors. Alright, now with my fingertip, I'm going to go in this color. It's called Boom. It's this, how would you explain that? It kind of reminds me of like a rust look. Rust color. And I'm going to start applying that on my lids. Then for my bottom lashes, I'm going to go into Rush first, the first color, and just going to put that all along my lower lash line. And I'm just using a pencil brush to do that. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with a little bigger, so I'm going to grab a crease brush. Just an e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to go in with that color Rush. Then with that pencil brush, I'm going to go into the color Alert. It's this color right here. And put that on my lower lashes as well. Alright, now with a flat eyeliner brush, I'm going to go into the color Secret. It's this one. And I'm going to put that exactly along my lash line. I'm going to stop about halfway. Alright, going back to the top, I think I'm going to add a little bit of this on camera color right here. Just a little bit to the top of my lid. And then going in with that same flat eyeliner brush, I'm going to go into that dark brown and I'm going to put it along the top of my lash line. And with the pencil brush, I'm going to go into Boom, that metallic rust color look, and I'm going to place it on the corners. And then I'm going to go put it in on camera and put that in the corner of my eye as well. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using this Wonder Beauty Unlashed mascara, and I'm going to put that on the tops and bottom of my eyelid. Then I think to make my eyes pop just a little more, I'm going to be using the Beauty For Real eyeliner. It is the 24 karat. I can't really show you what it looks like because I don't have much left, but I'll just put it on and you guys can see. Don't know if you guys can tell on my lower waterline. You can see that gold. I don't know, this is some of the best eyeliner that I've ever used. I think I got it in my Ipsy bag a long time ago, and I used the crap out of this stuff. I don't know, I just think it's very creamy, and I don't know, I've never come across a gold eyeliner before. I'm sure they're out there, it's not something that I see very often. But yeah, I just think it adds a little bit of a pop to my eyes, kind of makes them look a little brighter. Alright, then for lip color, I'm going to be going with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It is in the color Verona. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Settings Mist. There we go, guys. That is my take on a fall makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I do appreciate the support. And give this video a thumbs up if this is something that you like seeing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!